Hi there, students. I had a question from Vasanth asking me to explain the word integrity. Okay, integrity is a noun and it's linked to the word integral. Okay, integrity is the quality of being honest, of having strong moral principles that you refuse to change. Yeah, I wish we had politicians of integrity, but unfortunately we don't. So somebody could have professional integrity. They want to do their profession to a high standard and they will do anything not to reduce those standards. Yeah, not to go below a given acceptable standard. Yeah. So his integrity is beyond question. We can also use integrity as a noun, a formal noun, meaning that something is whole, it's complete. Yeah. It's not broken. Yeah. And this is where we have the word integral, because integral is this meaning. So this is an integral part of the system. You can't take it off. You can't separate it. They're all one unit. Okay, so integral, constituting a whole. Yeah, it's not removable. Yeah, it's something that's necessary and part of it. Okay, so integrity, honesty, yeah, steadfast following of a moral code, yeah, steadfast following of ethics, yeah. So yeah, she's a woman of great integrity. She's very honest and follows her beliefs absolutely. And then, okay, integrity, being whole, being undivided. Yeah. Um, so yes, the integrity of the nation is important, and we're not going to let any of the regions become independent. We also use this word integrity talking about something that's unimpaired. It's sound, it's not broken. So there was an earthquake, yeah, and the building was shaken, but this did not affect the integrity of the building. It wasn't broken, it was perfectly good after the earthquake, yeah. And I guess this is the idea that the structurally it's fine. We use integrity as well in computer programming. They check for the integrity of data to make sure that it's not been corrupted. Okay, so integrity, being honest and having moral principles, being upright, honest, rectitude, probity. The state of being complete, not broken up, a unity, a wholeness. Yeah. The national sovereignty implies territorial integrity, and the condition of still being robust, still being solid and strong. Yeah. So particularly structural integrity. Yeah. The spaceship had a collision with an asteroid, but this didn't affect its integrity, its wholeness, its strength. Okay, so a person who has integrity is firm, they're honest. Yeah, I would like to praise you for your high integrity, your high principles, your high honor, your high virtue. Yeah. Um, heh, separatist parts of the country are a threat to the integrity of the country, to the unity, to the unification. Okay. And yes, the quality of being sound, of not being broken, still being in good usable condition. Okay, so next question, formality. So his integrity. I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. In an informal conversation, I would probably say honesty. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing, or even a very formal one. Integral, an integral part. 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above informality. And if we're looking at the origin, this word is also related to the word integer, an integer, a whole number, 1, 2, 3, 10. Yeah, and this word integrity comes from integer in Latin, which means entire. So that's why we've got the meaning. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Integrity.